Welcome viewer, I am Murugan. This video tutorial describes how to fix and solve TCP, IP corruption in Windows 10. Type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click, Run as Administrator. Type netsh space winsock space reset. Press Enter key. Type netsh space int space IP reset. Press Enter key. Type exit. Restart computer. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.